Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Wii number 2 package po natin. So, nakabit na rin po yung mga accessories that is also included with your package. On na po natin yung ating Wii. And lipat na po tayo sa TV screen. Now, the package that you've ordered for this actually has over 250 plus games na naka-install. And to load our games, open lang natin yung ating USB loader CFG. So these are the games that we have installed for you. Ito pala. So nandito yung mga Mario games natin, Animal Crossing, Zelda, yung mga Just Dance, Wii Sports, and maraming pa pong iba. Ay. So let's open one of the game na mabigat for Nintendo Wii. Ito. Yung ating Super Smash Brothers Brawl. So na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit. This is just for our video demo para mapakita din namin sa inyo. Now, I'll be sending separate photos ng mga inclusions dito sa inyong package sa chat po natin. So, okay na po yung inyong order. Bali, papak na lang din namin at then wait na lang namin yung courier for pick-up. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung shopping information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!